Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are safe and staying at home. So guys, I'm back with another celebrity inspired makeup look. This time it's Tamannaah Bhatia and I am so in love with this look. It's glamorous, this looks smoky, this looks sexy, it looks fresh. It's all of the things that I love. Just a reminder, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are very close to 100k. And now let's get started. So this is the cleanser that I've been using. This is the Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. Now this one is for sensitive skin and I have sensitive skin and does not irritate my skin at all. And it's got a lot of moisturizing properties to soften and soothe the skin, and it does not make my skin dry unlike other cleansers. I'm gonna use this Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion, and I have been using this for I guess the past 6 months and I have been absolutely loving this. This is for all skin types and it soothes and hydrates my skin. I love the glow that it gives to my skin. You guys have also been asking me what sunscreen I use, and this is the one that I use currently. This one is the Sunstop Sunscreen with Vitamin E. It's got an SPF of 30. Apply it. So I use the sunscreen regularly after I take bath, once I'm done moisturizing my face. Right, so this is how my skin looks after the cleanser and moisturizing the sunscreen. Since I'm going to use a full coverage foundation which is kind of matte, I am going to use a beauty oil so that it gives some kind of a glow after I apply the foundation. This one has got little gold dust particles. It's from the beauty company and it's called Rose Gold Oil. It's a beauty oil. Start patting it on our face. Now I don't think this beauty oil is supposed to act as a primer as well, so I have to use a separate primer. So I'm going to use this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Also, my hair has never been this soft since I am using a new shampoo and conditioner. I've been using this shampoo, conditioner and a serum since the last month. Oh my god, I love it. Let me know if you guys want a video on my hair care routine. So let me know if you guys want to see it. I'm done with the prepping of my skin. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the foundation. The foundation I'm gonna use today is from Maybelline. This is the Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation. I'm just gonna take 1.5 pump and I'm gonna start. And this sponge is from Real Techniques. It's their Miracle Complexion Sponge. I will list all the products in the description box below, so guys make sure you check it out, including the lens. You see, you can still see the glow, then this is what I was talking about. So now I'm going to conceal my under eye area and I'm going to use 2 concealers. The first one is this Lakme Absolute Matte Real Mousse Concealer. Inner corners of my eyes are dark, so I'm going to put some over there and the rest under my eyes. Then I'm just going to blend it with my finger. This concealer blends so quickly and so easily. I want to brighten my under eye area, so I am going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Apply, and I'm just going to apply 3 dots. Always apply less makeup first, and if you need more, you can add on or build more. And I'm just going to blend it now. Next, I'm taking this LA Girl Pro Powder. I'm going to take this Plume foundation brush and just add it in my under eye area. And if you want, you can also put whatever is remaining on the bridge of your nose, on your chin. For my brows, I have this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is my holy grail. This is what I use for my brows and I absolutely love it. This is in the shade Felix Onyx and I'm almost done with this. This is, I think, my 3rd one that I've been using constantly. I'm so glad that some of you have watched the list of documentaries I suggested. I suggested a couple of documentaries that you can watch on Netflix. I'm gonna use the Nykaa Just Wink It eyeshadow palette in the shade Crushed Berries. This is a very good eyeshadow palette. It blends super easily, it lasts longer, it's waterproof, smudge proof, and the formula is velvety. Colors are beautiful. I'm gonna swatch a couple for you guys. First eyeshadow that I'm gonna use is this one. I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes. Apply less and then build up more according to your need. This brush I'm using is E006 from La Cara, and I'm going to use the same shade on my lower lash line. If you guys are not comfortable using a fluffy brush under your eyes, please use a pencil brush. I do have a pencil brush. Why am I not using it? It's a pencil brush and it's from La Cara. This is the E008 brush. Apply it my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to use this burgundy dark brown shade on my upper lids. This is a flat brush and it's the E007 from La Cara. Pack the color on your lids. Color that she has on her eyelids is much more darker than this, so I think I'm going to change my eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use my Smashbox Cover Shot eyeshadow palette in the shade Ablaze. Surprise! Guys, I'm going to do my eyes again. Once I removed the eyeshadow, it became all muddy, so I had to apply concealer. And the reason why I'm doing my eyes again is because the eyeshadow from the Nykaa palette had got a burgundy tinge, it had a burgundy tinge, and I didn't want that because the eyeshadow that Tamannaah is wearing is all dark brown. Good news for those of you who wanted me to apply concealer on my eyelids. I'm finally doing it. And just apply a very light layer of powder just to set. I'm going to apply this shade in the crease area. I'm going to take this E006 La Cara brush. I'm going to apply the dark brown shade on my eyelids. And taking this flat eyeshadow brush, this is from La Cara, it's the E007 eyeshadow brush. Taking a pencil brush, this one is also from La Cara, this is the E008 brush. And then I'm going to take the dark brown shade and apply it on top of this shadow. Well, that's about it. Now I'm going to apply the concealer. So I'm going to take Lakme Matte Real Mousse Concealer first. All influencers, all makeup artists are not perfect. Even we make mistakes. And we should learn from that. Now I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Oh my god, it looks so much better when you apply a concealer. Now I'm going to set it with a powder. The powder is LA Girl Pro powder. So I'm going to let it stay there for 30 seconds. So it's been 30 seconds. Now I'm going to blend it. And this gives me a very airbrush finish. Now taking this PAC Express brush cleaner, I'm going to clean my Oriflame blending brush. I'm just going to go over the crease so that there are no harsh lines. Taking this golden eyeshadow, I'm using just a Miniso brush. I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my eyes and just take it till the 1/3 of my eyelids. I'm also going to drag it a little bit on the lower lash line. So that is all about the eyes. The mascara I'm going to use is from K-Beauty. It's in the shade Midnight. So I have my lashes on. These are Nykaa Real Deal lashes. She has a golden liner on her waterline, so I'm going to do the same. I'm going to take this La Cara brush. This is the E010 brush. And taking the golden shade, I'm just going to add it in the waterline. It looks painful, but it's not, trust me. But you just gotta be really, really careful so that you don't hurt yourself. She has a black eyeshadow going on top of her eyelash band. So you can take any eyeshadow palette that has black eyeshadow. I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette. And with the same E010 La Cara brush, I'm going to pick this black, start applying it as an eyeliner. But I'm leaving the inner third area of the eyes. I'm just not going in there. I'm starting it exactly where the lash starts. Okay, so finally I'm done with the eyes. I'm going to keep it simple today. I'm going to apply this Sivanna Colors Ultra Blush Palette. Now, I was totally smitten with this palette as soon as I saw it. I wanted this blush palette for a very, very long time, but it was always out of stock. The reason why I wanted this blush palette is because the colors, they're super, super pretty. Also because Jacqueline Fernandez's makeup artist uses this blush palette on her. So there's a bronzer there, and I'm going to use this. And I'm going to use this La Cara F001 brush. This is a fluffy brush, like a really fat brush. And I love using this for bronzing my face. Apply some on my jawline. Oh my god, what just happened? It's okay, I think I'll just fix it with some glue. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Just a little bit on my forehead. Do you see, it's not very contoured. At the same time, it gives some definition to your face. Now taking this Nykaa blush brush, I'm going to use this shade. The shade she's wearing is very, very subtle, so I don't want a loud blush. Apply some on the tip of my nose and on my chin. I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris lipstick. This is in the shade I Lead. Dab it on my lips. This smells so good. I'm just going to dab it. For my highlighter, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. I'm going to take this La Cara F005 brush. This is a fan brush. The brow bone area. Just a little bit on the forehead. Okay, so this is my finished makeup look and I'm really happy with the end result. I hope you liked it, guys. Show me how much you liked it by clicking on that like button. Like this video, share this video, and comment down below. You know how much I love replying to your comments. And subscribe, guys. Let us reach 100K soon. Let us grow as a family. And sending you lots of love and positive vibes. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.